Oh no! Damn it! It's all going wrong. Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd bring you out and about on a bit of an adventure today. Currently in the UK, we're experiencing Storm Bert, and I just thought I'd bring you out so we could take a look at what it's all about. Okay guys, let's have a look down here at the canal. Lovely spot for a picnic, but somehow with today's conditions I don't think you're going to get many takers. Right guys, I brought us along to Piper Hill, Dodder Hill Nature Reserve for a bit of a look round. As you can hear, the wind's picked up and its temperatures have dropped a bit. Let's have a look round. So here we go guys, public footpath, no vehicles beyond this point except for access to Knott's Farm, which is just through the way. I'll show you that in a minute. No off-road biking, illegal, yeah, you can read that yourselves. There we go guys, there's the van up in the distance. There she is. Alright guys, a little bit of walk down the path. I'm not going to go too far. Quickly show you the farm. I don't want to be too intrusive. That's somebody's home at the end of the day. But yeah, the farm is right there, Knott's Farm. Right guys, we've had a bit of a look round. I'm going to make my way back up to the van now. It's getting a bit cold and I'm getting a bit hungry. So back up to the van and we'll get some food on. Right guys, back in the van now. Disaster struck. I was going to cook on the camping gas, but as you can see, I forgot the gas. So we have got a backup plan. I've got my trusty in here. Trusty jet boil with me. So we're going to do it on that instead. The thing I'm going to be cooking today is this Heinz tomato soup, #1 of the soup world. There is no other. Let's get going. I'm cold and I'm hungry. Right, where's the gas for that? Oh no! Damn it! It's all going wrong. I may have forgot the gas for that as well. I'm not having cold soup. So, what have I got? Well, I brought some bread. So, I guess it's bread. Cheers, everyone. God damn it. So guys, I've just finished off my revised meal of bread. Not that good. And I'm going to swill it down. Lovely can of Coke. Cheers. What a disaster. The reason why I come up here, folks, today is... The reason why I come up here today, I am considering possibly doing a stealth camp up here at some point. I've had a look at the signs, as I've shown you. It doesn't seem to say anything about not being able to do it. You can't take vehicles down there because it's a private farm. But the area I showed you in the car park, I think we might be able to get away with. Not too sure. I'm going to give it a go at some point. Probably not my first stealth camp because we're in the woodlands. It gets windy and noisy and scary, and I'm a wimp. So probably not the first, but at some point I would like to do a stealth camp here. I'm just going to check it out a bit more, have a look, see if anyone else has done it, see if it has been done, anything on Park for Night maybe. Other than that, we'll give it a go. Simple Simon, no, it's Simple Kirby. Oh. Ah. Packing away and I found that. I've got myself a macaroon. Yes. Bread and macaroon. Beautiful. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, it's beautiful. What a wally. Thanks for watching this one, guys. It's my second video in. As you can tell, it didn't go to plan again, as did the first when I installed my light. The light itself still working, so that's a win. I'll put a link up to that video if you want to watch that one. Stay tuned, and I promise next time we'll get out and about and we'll get some cooking done. I got my soup in the end. It doesn't count though. I'm on my drive. See you next time.